Your mechanic has never told you this, not once, and gas stations are counting on that silence. In Japan, there is a philosophy called Kaizen, continuous improvement, 1% better every single day. Japanese engineers designed your car with 17 built-in efficiency systems. Most drivers never touch them. Most mechanics never mention them. The result? American households waste $750 a year on fuel they never needed to burn. That money goes directly into the tank of gas stations. Today that changes. 10 secrets, right now, all of them already in your car. You are stuck in traffic, diesel truck ahead, exhaust pouring straight into your vents. You are breathing that in right now. There is a button on your dashboard, a car icon with a circular arrow. Most drivers think it just recirculates cabin air. It does not. Press it and your car seals itself completely from outside air. No exhaust, no pollution. But here's what the manual does not mention. That same button makes your AC up to 20% more efficient. Faster cooling, less load on the compressor. One button, already in your car, free. Your tire pressure warning light is not your friend. It only activates when your tires are 25% below the recommended level. For most cars, that means 8 psi already gone. For every 1 psi lost across all 4 tires, fuel economy drops 0.2%. Lose 8 psi and you have already lost 1.6% efficiency, silently, without a single warning. Gas stations love this. The fix takes 90 seconds once a month. Check the door jamb, not the tire sidewall. That sticker has the correct pressure for your specific car. Inflate to spec. Your engine stops dragging itself across every mile. Your manufacturer already solved this problem. They printed the answer on your oil cap. Most people ignore it. The correct viscosity, the correct thickness of oil, directly affects how hard your engine works. Too thick. The engine fights itself every cold start. That friction burns fuel before your car moves a single foot. Switching to the correct lower viscosity full synthetic, for engines that support it, improves fuel economy by an average of 2.4%. That is not a trick. That is precision engineering. Check your cap. Use exactly what it says. Less friction, less fuel burned. Your engine breathes. Every mile, it pulls air through a filter. That filter catches dust, pollen, road debris. Slowly, it clogs. Hold your air filter up to a light. If you cannot see light through it, your engine cannot breathe through it either. A clogged filter forces the engine to run rich. More fuel, less air, worse combustion. Up to 10% fuel economy lost, and you feel nothing until the damage compounds. Check it every 12 to 15,000 miles. It takes 2 minutes. It costs $15 to replace. A loose gas cap. It looks harmless. It costs you 30 gallons of fuel per year. Gone. Fuel vapor escapes every hour your car sits parked. Invisible, silent, profitable for gas stations. A loose or cracked cap also triggers evap codes P457, P456, P4442. Shops charge $100 to diagnose what a $12 gas cap would have prevented. Twist until it clicks. Every time. That is it. Those 5 secrets alone stack to 18% fuel savings. Free. Already in your car. Already available right now. But the next 5 are the ones gas stations lobby to keep quiet. And secret 17 is not a tip. It is the system that makes every other secret permanent. Stay with this. Most drivers still warm up their cars for 5 to 10 minutes. This habit comes from 1970s carburetors. Your car does not have a carburetor. Modern fuel-injected engines stabilize in seconds, not minutes. According to the EPA, idling burns between 1/4 and half a gallon of fuel per hour. Over a year, that is $100 to $150. For 0 miles traveled. The rule is simple. Stopped for more than 10 seconds? Engine off. Restarting uses less fuel than continuing to idle. Now you know. 6 secrets. All free. All already in your car. Combined, they represent a 22% improvement in fuel efficiency. On the average American fuel bill, that is $550 back in your wallet every year without buying anything. If this is tracking, hit the like button. That is all it takes. 4 more secrets to go. Here is something most highway drivers never consider: drifting between 55 and 65 mph, even gradually, increases fuel consumption by up to 20%. Every small acceleration costs fuel. Every unnecessary slowdown throws away momentum you already paid for. Adaptive cruise control eliminates this. It holds one speed. It adjusts for traffic faster than your foot can react. Average savings with XC: 5 to 7% on highway fuel. On a $2,500 annual fuel bill, that is $175 back. For pressing one button. Everyone knows air conditioning burns fuel, but the full answer is more precise than that. At city speeds, open windows are more efficient. AC adds 15 to 30% to fuel consumption at low speeds. But at highway speeds, above 55 to 60 mph, the equation completely reverses. Open windows at 75 mph create aerodynamic drag, like towing a parachute behind your car. At that point, running the AC on recirculation uses less fuel. The US Department of Energy tested this directly. City windows down, highway windows up, AC on, recirculation pressed. 2 rules, both already built into your car. Empty roof racks. Most drivers leave them on all year. At 75 mph, empty crossbars reduce fuel efficiency by 12%. An empty cargo box 25% across the United States. Empty roof racks waste 100 million gallons of fuel every year. You are paying an aerodynamic tax every mile for equipment sitting empty on your roof. Remove the rack when you do not need it. Store gear in the trunk whenever possible. The tax disappears the moment you take it off. You can see the red light from a quarter mile away. Most drivers accelerate toward it, then brake hard at the last second. That acceleration burned fuel. That braking threw the momentum away. And now you need to accelerate again from zero. 3 fuel costs for 1 red light. The alternative is free. Lift your foot off the throttle early. Coast. Let the car carry its momentum. MIT research. Aggressive driving lowers fuel economy 15 to 30% on highways and 10 to 40% in city traffic. Aggressive driving saves an average of 26 seconds per day in exchange for 40% more fuel burned. You are not saving time. You are buying the illusion of speed with fuel. 10 secrets in, but there are 7 more. And they are different. They are not buttons to press. They are not things to check. They are the architecture of the system itself. And secret #17 is the reason all of this becomes permanent. That is the next video. Stay. But there is one more thing. It is not in your car. It is not in a bottle. It costs nothing. It is a single maintenance habit that Japanese manufacturers quietly built their entire engine warranty strategy around. Most mechanics have never mentioned it, not once.